How to buy premium on Spotify. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'll guide you on how you can buy premium on Spotify, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you want to buy Spotify premium, if you are on Android, you can just open the Spotify application. You can come to the premium tab from the bottom right and then just subscribe to premium right from the app. But if you're on iPhone, you will not be able to find the option. So this applies for both Android and iOS users. Even if you're on Android, I just recommend you to get the premium version from the website. So what you want to do is, if you're on iPhone or your iOS, then you want to simply open up your Safari browser. Then you want to simply go to spotify.com. I'll also make sure to drop a link below. Then just log into the free account on which you want to purchase the premium. Once you log into the account, just tap the gear icon from the top right hand side of the screen. Then here you'll find a section where it says premium. You want to make sure to tap on it. Once you tap on the premium option, here you'll be able to see all the premium plans. And after that, all you have to do is just tap and select the plan that you want over here. Once you've done that, on the next specific page, you will be able to go ahead and fill in all these plans over here. So just go ahead and tap on this option. Once you tap on the option, on the next page, it will ask you to simply enter your credit or debit card number and your payment details in order to go ahead and then select it. So you can choose to enter your PayPal account if you'd like, or you can simply choose to enter your credit or debit card if you want. Then make sure to enter the street, the town or city, then choose a state, then enter the zip code, enter your card number such as the expiration date, the card number, the CVV number as well. Then once you've done that, scroll down to the bottom, select the option called buy now, and then you will successfully get Spotify premium. That is it on how you can buy premium on Spotify. Hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.